Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take some items that we probably have around the house, maybe not exactly these, but similar, and we're going to use gift boxes to decorate these for Christmas. These gift boxes are so stinking cute, and I can't remember whether I got them at Dollar Tree or Dollar General, but oh my gosh, they are just beautiful. And I had these two Hobby Lobby frames. Like I said, you might not have these exact frames, but these will work in any frame that's open. So before we get started with that, I need to tell you about a new product I just got. Before we get cutting, I want to show you a product I just got sent to me by Newair. It's a 20-inch outdoor 2-in-1 high velocity floor or wall mounted fan. It's absolutely amazing. It has 3 speeds, adjustable tilt head, and it's great for outside. We have been wanting one of these fans for our outdoor deck in the summer when it gets really hot down south, to have a nice breeze blowing on us. And man, does this fan deliver. It is extremely breezy on low, and boy, when you kick it into high, it gets even better. The base you have to assemble, but it's super easy to assemble, and we assembled it and have it sitting out on our deck. And I absolutely adore this fan. This is it on low, and it has a little pull string in the back to adjust the different speeds. And then if you want to mount it, it also has a longer pull string that you can attach. Here's it on high. I backed up to see exactly how far I could go and still feel the breeze of this fan. And I could go all the way back to my French doors, which is amazing because it will cool us off the entire deck during those hot summer southern months. So thank you, Newair, for sending this to me, and I'm so glad to have been able to do a review, and I recommend this product to everybody. I will leave a special code, Kellies, in the description box and the link if you would like to check out this great fan from Newair. Okay, so heading back to that simple and so adorable DIY, I took this box and trimmed it down, and then I used my Cricut cutter to get the straight cutting edges because I obviously failed scissors in cutting in kindergarten because I can't cut a straight line to save my life. So my motto is cut a little bit off at a time because I am also very bad at measuring and must have failed that in school as well. But I just trim off a little bit at a time and then keep putting it in the frame until it's nice and secure. You don't need to hot glue it. You don't need to tape it. It fits in that perfectly and it isn't going anywhere. And the best thing about it is it just comes right out after the holidays. You can store it with your Christmas decorations and bring it out every year to put back in the frame. This is just so simple, and these gift boxes are so adorable. When I saw them, I knew I had to use them for something with my Christmas decor, and then it dawned on me. This will work in a frame, of course, that has glass too. But remember, and I'm sure a lot of people still do this, you know, my mom used to take pictures on the wall and wrap them in wrapping paper and put a bow on them. And a lot of people still do that, but this is just an easy, simple way of changing up your decor for Christmas without spending a lot of money and having to purchase a new sign. So project number 2 is just as simple. I'm taking one of my pictures that I have throughout the year in the home, and I'm cutting down another one of those gift boxes. And this is a lot easier because I can use the existing picture and trim it down. I don't have to keep guessing. I'm also saving the bottom of these boxes because they're white and will be great for other projects. And I have a few in mind already. So if you want to save the bottom, you can use that too. So these are just so affordable. And I just trimmed it down using the existing picture that I already had in the picture frame. Once it was trimmed, I just put it all back together. I always keep my picture there. That way I can just, when Christmas is over, put it right back into the frame. And I assembled it all back together, and voila, you have a beautiful rustic country picture for Christmas. And you get like 3 boxes, gift boxes in a package. So this is just so affordable and so stinking cute for your Christmas decor, and so easy to do. So project number 3, I got this crate at Goodwill, and it's just 2 crates attached together. And I know I'm showing you, items I have around my house. These are just ideas of what maybe you could take around your house and trim these gift boxes down to make work with your decor that you have. Or Dollar Tree also sells these crates, and you could always paint 2 of them white and attach them together. So this time I am using my awful cutting skills and a piece of printer paper, and I'm just kind of making me a template so that I know kind of where I want to cut my box, and then I have a guideline of how to cut it. Because I tried cutting one of these without this little tool and failed miserably. If you want one of these cutting machines, I think I got this one at Walmart. They're pretty affordable. I think it was like $12 or $13. If you want to go get one of these, if your scissor skills are as bad as mine. These are pretty awesome. So, like I said, I cut my template down, and then I use that template to cut the gift box. Once I had them cut to size, I did use a little bit of hot glue on this project just because I wasn't worried about being able to remove it after Christmas. I knew I could just lift it up and then sand down the little dollops of hot glue. But I knew this wouldn't just stand up in the crates like it did in the picture frames. So I did use hot glue for this one. And then I put my Christmas trees that I got from Dollar Tree. And if your Dollar Tree sells these trees, I recommend picking them up. They already come with batteries. You pull the little string out of the bottom and they change colors. For $1, they are the cutest little Christmas tree Dollar Tree sells. And easy peasy, I just updated my crate for Christmas and added 2 little Dollar Tree trees. And I think it is just so cute. Okay, so project number 4. And this is a napkin holder that I got from Goodwill. And I'm using another one of those Christmas boxes. I'm using printer paper again to get me a template and an idea of how to cut this next box. I wish I would have had a better Christmas box. I wasn't really crazy about this one, but this was one of the 3 that came in the package, so I just wanted to utilize it. So I trimmed off the edges where the box folds over, and used my template and placed it where I wanted it on the box, and again used my little Cricut cutter to trim the edges. And I did not hot glue it. I just set it inside the napkin holder. Easy peasy. What's great about these little napkin holders is they don't have to be used for napkins. You could open it up and you could use it as a tray to set things in, or you could even open it up and you can hang it on your wall. So these can actually be used different ways for your decor. This is probably my favorite one. That's why it's last. So I have this little clock scale that I have in my decor, and I just used a bowl from Dollar Tree because that was the closest I had to be able to make a circle for the clock face. And then I just cut around the inside of where I drew the line. And then I did have to trim a little bit, not much, but I did have to trim it just a little bit, trying to stay within the circle. So when I put it on, it was just a little bit too big. So I used my scissors and I cut inward to like the little ledge that was there. And then I used that as my guide to make the circle smaller. As you can see, when I would go around, it would cut off those pieces of where I trimmed. And that actually worked perfect. Then all I had to do was cut a line through the center. And what was neat about this is it actually, the clock, the middle clock, what are they, handles, I guess, fit perfectly where his nose was. So that was a bonus. So I cut into the circle halfway. Then I just cut out a little circle in the center and used that to put it on the clock face. And as you can see, look at that. You don't get numbers, I understand that, but we all know where the numbers on a clock are. So I really didn't think that was that bad, that you couldn't see the numbers. And it just updated this little clock scale for Christmas with Santa's face. And I think it's absolutely adorable. And there it is. So cute. And I used a gift box, and such an easy little upgrade. And I just absolutely love this for Christmas. I think I'll put some berries up top. I can't wait to start decorating. So here's another view of all the projects that I did in this video using gift boxes and just decor that I already use all year long to decorate my farmhouse country style. So I hope this inspired you to maybe grab some decor that you have, go get yourself some gift boxes, and do an easy, quick fix changeover for the Christmas season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel, ring that bell for future notifications, and hit that thumbs up button. It helps out my channel so much. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about that Newair fan. If you did, like I said, I have a code in my description box, and I also have a link to the fan if you want to go check it out. I hope you guys are having a blessed and wonderful day. I love y'all. I'll see you again soon. Bye, y'all.